Today we are going to see a new topic. The topic of today we are going to deal with compressor. As I've told you in the previous topic, I told you that we are going to cover the topic about refrigeration. After refrigeration, we are going to deal with air conditioning, but today let's deal with compressor as the main part of refrigeration, because it acts as the heart of the refrigeration. The compressor you see here, as you know, has its main connection. This is the supply of electricity, has the supply ports, high pressure and low pressures. And after looking its types and its physical appearance, we are going to deal also what is going on inside by looking how it is constructed. Yes, compressor is that part in which mechanical refrigeration system which is suck. Its main function is to suck the refrigerant vapor as low temperature. The refrigerant to be sucked is at low temperature and it compresses at a high compressor. By looking its types, we know that compressor has three main types. The first type is open type compressor. In open type compressor is that in which the prime mover or the motor is not connected with the compression parts. For semi-hermetically compressed as the second type, where the compression parts and the motor can be separated. And the last one is what you call hermetically compressor, which is this one you see. This is hermetically as this one, also as this one you see here, or as hermetically compressor. Hermetically compressor are those compressors which is all the parts of it and including the motor are constructed inside this one. By looking the construction of such compressor, allow me to open this one and show you how it is constructed. Yes, what you have to know, this is the hermetically compressor which has been cut by the hacksaw. By the hacksaw we can remove this one, as you see, and you see that there is some of the connections and the sound of the ports. Yes, this is also, by moving this, you can see very well inside how it is constructed. Yes, as you see here, there is many parts we have to deal with. Yes, but by stopping by here, I can see some of the main parts of compressor. As you see, this is the rotor. The rotor as the one which, when the electricity, when this compressor is energized, it rotates. By rotating inside this coil, these coils, then magnetic fields are created, hence its compress or its action starts. Yes, as you see, those are coils, and after coils we have the windings, where we have 3 terminals, 1, 2, 3. As you know, this is the coils around this. As you see inside, there's nothing except these parts as you see, and there is some of the installation here to separate this coil from this metal inside, and also to separate, to provide the free rotation of this armature. And this is coil as I told you before, and here we have seen that there is some of its connection. Then after looking this compressor as the main heart, as the main components which acts as the heart of the compressor. In the next topic we will be going to see how another parts such as condenser or evaporator work with these main parts. Yes, by arriving to the end of this video of today, I can tell you that be with us and stay tuned on our channel. We will discover too much things, too much complaints and amazing things. Cannot see any yes, let me close this. I'll get to the end of this, and after looking inside, this is the covered parts of this compressor. And if you have any problem about this compressor and it's working, you can ask me in the comments below, or you can email me on address as and the description below. Yes, thank you for watching, and remember, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also don't forget to support us too in many ways of supporting. Thank you for your watching. May God bless you.
Watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll respond as soon as possible. If this video was helpful, then a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Want more related information? Then check out my other videos. Other than that, thanks again for watching and see you next time.